Hi. Today I will show you how to install routersploit on Android. Routersploit is a router exploitation framework which can scan routers for vulnerabilities. This video is for educational purposes only and I'm not responsible for your actions. So let's start. First we need to update Termux. Now we need to install Git and Python. Now we can download this tool from GitHub. Link will be in description.
If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong. This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, wet, and all around. Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong.
Now I will scan my own router for show you how this tool working. As you can see, I don't have any vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.